Producing content for your own company, stressing you out, and I get it, because just the thought of I have to do a piece of content every other day, so and so often a week, blah, blah, I get it. But I show you how to do 1 month content within 30 minutes. Don't get overwhelmed, get like a system going. Pick 3 main content themes. 3 themes that you want to lean on for your business. If you're a fitness coach, you maybe want to talk about training tips, clothes, what to wear in the gym, and food. If you have something to do with cars, we can talk about maintenance, building stuff on cars, and maybe car meets if you're into car shows, stuff like this. Depending on your niche, but pick 3 themes that you lean on for your content, which will make it easier to create the content, because then you don't have to think about 15, 20, or 30 content pieces a month. You just have to think about, oh, let me do 5 on this topic, 5 on that topic, 5 on that topic. Let's spread it up between carousels, pictures, stories, and reels. And you can kind of break down every single theme to different content pieces, which will make it a lot easier to really create engaging and nice content. What we usually do, we record the content for at least 2 or 3 weeks in a row completely in one session. We record the complete content, then it goes into editing. It will be complete edited. Once it's edited, it will go to the next stage and we'll make short form content out of it. So always work in batches. This will save you so much time and so much headache. Yes, you have to prepare a little longer to get the content together, to get the ideas together, to get everything done at one time, but then you have done everything for like the next 4, 6, 8 weeks, depending on how you be able to structure your content creation. Don't forget to use all the AI tools that's available at the moment. For example, you can use Canva to produce all of your carousels and all of your picture content, your stills. They have a really, really handy feature in Canva called multiple content pieces or mass produce, something like that. If you're interested in it, comment down below and we will do an in-depth video on that. You take a template and you tell the template, this is the title, this is the description, this might be the footer if you have a footer, whatever. You just load a table into Canva with all the columns, description, title, or like content and footer, and Canva will automatically produce as many content as you have, as lines you have in this table. Then you just have to go into each and every picture and just, I don't know, change out the background or change some little things. But like the heavy lifting will be done by Canva. So use AI. Also about scripting, you can use just ChatGPT or like any other tools. There are plenty of other tools out there that you can take to bring your content production process to the next level or speed it up and just simplify it. With that being said, content production don't have to be nerve-wracking, tedious, and week by week, day by day. You really have to get the process done really, really quick. Yes, it's a lot of work, but condensed in like 1 or 2 days, and then you have everything done for the next, I don't know, as I said, we sometimes produce up to 2 months. And if you use CRM systems like our Orbit CRM or like other automation tools, even in some social media platforms, you can internally do that, but you can plan the content ahead for weeks, months, whatever. It might take you 2 days, 1 or 2 days to produce the content for like the next 2 months. And then you're marketing the first layer of your funnel, let's say like that. The first layer of your funnel, how people get attracted to you or people come to your page or start noticing you, is fully automated for the next couple of weeks. So don't really stress it too much. You can do a lot of stuff in really condensed time, and you have everything prepared for the next couple of weeks. And if you're interested how to automate workflows in the background to even save up some more time and get some more stuff done for your business, click on this video right here.